Here we are right in front of your hotel entrance. That is £32.50 shown on the meter.
Great. I will pay by card, please. Okay, the payment is processed. Actually, I have a quick question. I am new to this city and I am not sure about the custom for tipping. What is normal here for a taxi ride?
That is a very good question. Well, tipping is not strictly required by law, but it is common practice. Most passengers tip around 10% or 15% of the total fare if they are happy with the service and the ride.
I see. So for a £32.50 fare, a fair tip would be about £4 or £5?
Something like that, yes. But honestly, please don't feel obligated to give extra money. A simple thank you and a positive review on the app are also very nice.
You have been extremely helpful today. You helped me with my heavy suitcases and you knew a great shortcut to avoid that big traffic jam. I would like to give you more. Let's make it £40 in total. You can keep the change as a tip.
That is very generous of you. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
You are very welcome. It was a very smooth and comfortable ride. Also, could I please get a receipt for the trip? I need to show it to my company to get my money back.
Of course. Do you want me to print a paper receipt or should I send a digital one to your email address?
A printed one would be better for my files, please.
No problem. Let me print it for you right now. Here you go. This receipt shows the fare, the date, and the total amount including the tip.
Perfect. That is exactly what I need. Thanks again for all your help and for the great conversation.
It was my pleasure. I hope you enjoy your stay at the hotel. Have a wonderful day.